Hey guys, it's Mike Stein, and Blackberry is at it again. Just when everybody thought they had given up completely on the smartphone game, they just suddenly came up with a successor for their Keyone, which was their flagship for last year. And this is a picture that got leaked on the web, of course, and it gives us a pretty clear image of what the Key2 might look like. So the Blackberry Key2 has as its code name Athena. Athena kind of sounds like a Greek goddess or something. So in the image we see the form factor and possible design of the Key2, and if you look at the watermark below, it says shot on Blackberry Key2. So this helps reassure anyone who's kind of skeptical about this new phone and about this new leak. So the question is, who exactly needs a Blackberry in 2018? Just who? I mean, smartphone companies have been doing everything they can to get rid of all the bezels on their phones. They even have to put a notch if possible. No one likes that, but obviously we have to deal with it. As long as we want the bezels gone, we have to do something. But it seems BlackBerry is going the other way. They still kept the physical keyboard we saw on the Keyone last year, which does have its own advantages, like a more tactile response when typing and computer-like functions. Because it's actually a QWERTY keyboard on that phone, but it still occupies a large amount of space on this phone. It seems everyone is trying to fit as much screen into their phones as possible, and BlackBerry is just kind of going the other way. I don't know, but that's just my opinion, guys. I hope this video made sense. Let me know your thoughts down below if you have any. Like the video if it helped. Hit subscribe if you're new here, and I will catch you guys in the next video.